Neural networks. What is a neural network? How does it learn? Where does it fit in the curriculum? A neural network is an attempt to digitally mimic how the human brain works. The human brain has over 80 billion cells called neurons, which communicate with one another to carry out various functions, like walking, talking, and learning. Brain neurons have receivers, called dendrites, that take in information from other neurons, and transmitters, called axon terminals, that send information to other neurons. As the human brain learns, it makes new connections or strengthens connections among neurons. As a neural network learns, it adjusts the weights or the importance of the information it receives so it can make better predictions. Here is an example of a neural network. This network is learning how to recognize digits 0 to 9. It has 4 layers of neurons. The first layer of neurons is the input layer. When a digit is input, grayscale or color values of its pixels are sent to the input layer. Weights are applied to these input values, and they are then passed on to the next layer. The layers in the middle are called hidden layers because the processes they use are too complex for us to be able to track and explain. The last layer of neurons is the output layer, which represents the network's predictions. The process of applying weights to inputs and making predictions is called forward propagation. After forward propagation, the network calculates its error. It then adjusts its weights to reduce this error. The process of calculating the network's error and adjusting weights to reduce the error is called back propagation. Repeating the processes of forward and back propagation is how the network learns. Our infographic, Understanding Neural Networks, serves as a starting point for introducing and motivating students to research and report on neural networks. Understanding neural networks is necessary for understanding AI. In Ontario, for example, understanding AI is an expectation in grades 7 to 8 Science and Technology, in grade 9 Science, and in grade 10 Computer Studies. For this and other freely available AI education resources, please see AI-ed.ca.